It's Lloyd's journey. Hi everyone, my name is Troy. Today I'm going to build a set. The set is Ninjago. You can see my shirt is Ninjago, right? And today the set I'm going to be building is here, the Lloyd's journey set. And his set ages X plus and up the number 70671. And you may be asking me if you watch all my YouTube videos and you think it's gonna be the best one. Well, either my mom or myself planted to make a video and they are not really natural. So this is gonna be the best video ever. Now let's check the back. So, and here the photos are the first one that from the mini build stand, there was a crossbow attack and you can shoot a minifigure or the animal. The second picture, that if the Blizzard Warrior throws shuriken to Llyod, he can use it to block the wolf or the fox with his sword. Okay, if you can see the characters here are Llyod, Blizzard Warrior, and a white wolf or a fox. Now I'm gonna open it. Now we're gonna see what's inside. Whoop, whoop. And one thing, when you open from this side, when you open it, Kai comes out right here. It's really cool. Okay. This set comes with 3 bags, instruction, and a Lego plate. Now I'm ready to build. Okay, now I just finished with this set. This set is really cool, so let's check them out. And I like build 10 or 9 minutes. At least I got 10 minutes. So here, let's start with the mini build. This is a little defense with in the front. It has a crossbow attack that can shoot. Ow! Put it back on. Okay, and here there's just 2 ice blades that look like blue, and over here 2 of them have 2 shurikens, and here is the Blizzard Warrior. He's the one in charge of this temple. I think it's a temple. And here we have a little mini build. It's Lloyd's sword frozen in ice. And here, this is a white fox or a wolf. Maybe it's a wolf because I have watched the movie. And this is actually not just a normal wolf. I mean, a normal animal. Well, this is a forming animal. This forming animal is actually a girl. The name is Akita. He can form into a wolf, and she is wearing a wolf costume like that. And this is the first time I see a white wolf. And here we have Lloyd. He's wearing a mask without the top hair piece. And here's Lloyd's staff with fire on top with some hot red blades over here. And I like this staff because it has fire on it. And over here you can put the sword in the back. And can I come out again? Well, this is the first time I got Lloyd's hairpiece, and his suit is really cool. So that's it. Okay, that's it, everyone. This set is really cool, and you remember I have 2 sets. First is the Shuricopter, and now it's the Lloyd's Journey. This set is really cool. I love it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.